Stripe and Morris. Come on, Morris. Morris. Yeah, maybe he's not going to come this morning. He's waiting by the bricks with Stripe. And I came out the door and they ran over from the driveway somewhere. Of course, Marty and Stripes slept in the house. Wow, we got a hint of ice in the water bowl this morning. There's more up top, bud. There's more up top. Hi. Yes, we know who you are, Marty. We know who you are. Hey. You could eat it down low, and then I could put it up top if you don't like it up top. I don't know that that's really a problem. But I'm certainly still hearing the chickens, but they haven't been down to the house. And Stripe and Morris are playing. The main thing I wanted you to see was look at all the sweet gum balls. It's fairly effective. Like here, I could just come through with the blower and roll them down the woods into the forest. So that's probably what I'll do. But yeah, there's a lot of sweet gum balls right now. You guys playing? Playing hide and go seek under the cat hotel? Stripe's at my legs, of course, rubbing my legs. He was just in the garage with me, helping me get food out of the freezer. It's been all over the place with me. I made sure Tuck's got to his preferred morning constitutional spot and back up to his safe spot okay. Hi. Hi, it's chilly out here. We were in the upper 20s last night. Oh, it's chilly out here. Yep, everything looking fine out here too. I can hear the construction guys. Sewer line project guys. Maybe one morning I'll come out and it won't be rumbling again. Gray, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hello. Hello. Good girl. We're back in the official Joel's parking spot and headed inside. It's around 10. It wouldn't be a bad day for a walk, but it just works out that I don't have enough time on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so Monday's kind of it.
I'm putting Miles back on the treadmill.
He's going backwards.
They hit the wrong...
I think you pulled it up.
Yeah, well, I
To
was
safety.
running my mouth instead of doing my job.
Anyway, Don was saying it's pretty hard going the wrong way on it. He's attached to the safety, and imagine, because he walks backward at the park all the time.
I would tell you, this is disorienting. Because you're not moving.
Right.
And
you're going backwards.
If you take little steps, you can do it without. But if you try to take big steps, it's a little more disorienting.
I'll just be over here minding my business on the bicycle.
I'm just killing time.
Yeah, he finishes before me and he gets impatient.
I'm not impatient.
It takes me, well, first off, I'm doing 5 minutes more each time on the cycle.
I only do 10.
I do 15. So there's 10 minutes right there.
That's right. Yeah, but see, the thing is, I'm trying to get to my favorite part of exercise as quickly as possible.
Yeah, well, it's going to take as long as it takes me, Bubba.
Thank you, ma'am.
Doing our bid to help the economy.
I didn't have to go work out today. I toted 5 boxes in.
Hopefully at least one of them's yours.
Well,
we both ordered stuff Friday.
That's right.
There's one of them has to be yours.
One of them has to be. Okay, if you say so.
I just finished editing yesterday's video. Not in my normal spot though, because Johnny's home, which is fine. I just heard the siren. I'm sure we're gonna have a dynamite blast here in a few minutes. My print's done, so I'm coming to pull it off the plate. Don's on a conference call. I did get the shamrock tablecloth up there. It came from Amazon today, and I loaded my 2 vases up there, so there'd be something up there. And now I'm going to do 4 more daffodils to fill out my vase. And I'm going to have a vase of lotus flowers back there. Amazon has this on sale right now, like $3 off. It's not expensive to begin with. And I'm going to fill out my vase some more. Put this together, 216 pieces. With a little help from my friends, of course. Hi. Hi, nighttime. And I are setting up their new printer, and we plugged it in, and then poof, it popped open the little compartment here all on its own saying, feed me some ink, feed me, feed me. I want to whine.
Really?
The printer installation's not going well.
Oh, I gave you a cable.
I know. We're trying it, but you know what it means.
It means
it goes this way. What did you do as one of your first jobs at IBM?
I fixed your printer.
You fixed printers. Punch card readers and large scale printers. So
yeah, and when after Marianne came on board, it's like there was this yelp that came out of the printer room. Went in there and paper was going everywhere. That's
a little bit of an exaggeration, but I did almost pick up the printer. Yeah. In my younger days, beside my computer and throw it at the wall. Yeah. It might have been the first time you heard me cuss.
Yeah. Well, anyway, long story short, ever since then, I've been her printer guy. Yeah.
Well, you're the one with all the engineering repair experience. Johnny and I are doing everything we can over here.
This is green. That looks good.
Yeah. Just go away now.
Okay.
I don't care. I don't care what you did. Just as long as it's working now.
Oh, well, now this isn't, so it's installing user manuals.
Okay, well, that's good. But we have a test print now. Yes, and all you did was start at the beginning.
Because I've attended many prayer meetings around equipment. Everybody gathers around and they're looking at it. And then somebody just got to lay hands on it, baby.
Very funny. I don't care as long as it's working.
Yeah, well, I think it is. But it's
installing something.
Yeah, I don't want to.
I just hope Johnny, when he gets up to school, can get it switched over to the other Wi-Fi.
Yeah, probably. I think he'll be able to do that. We'll get it working on our Wi-Fi first. It's plugging along. It's downloading a manual. The PDF,
Yeah, well, that must be 20 gigabytes and going to take an hour. I'm kidding.
Yes,
I would think the manual is not that big and should already be downloaded. Yeah, but it would be nice if we could send one Google Doc test print to the printer and have it print.
Yeah, I agree.
My art school building is going to need 3 trees, one in the front/side, and I'm going to add 2 on the back. I'm sort of out of time to work on it, but I'm going to spend a few minutes pulling parts. And then I'm going to start cooking dinner. I'm making the shepherd's pie thing tonight. So it's 4:30 and I need to get started. But I need to decompress. 15 minutes won't make or break anything. Well, I got the parts pulled for 3 trees. And maybe after I get the meal in the oven, I'll come and put the trees together. So I've got the shepherd's pie in the oven. I forgot to take a video or a picture of it before I put it in. Maybe when it comes out. We'll see. I'm getting pretty tired. Starship should be going up in a few minutes. So I'm going to go sit down and watch that. Phew! Got dinner cooked. Well, prepped. About 6 minutes. We're scrubbed for today. As long as everybody's safe. But darn if this space flight travel stuff doesn't just make your stomach upset sometimes. It's very stressful. These were next to impossible to get together. put together. I'm going to have to, I failed on all 3. So I guess when I'm more alert, not so tired, have more patience. I knew they were going to be hard, and guess what? They were really hard. It's supposed to look like, but it's good that I suffer some, right? I mean, I'm not supposed to have everything just, see how it looks down there and how it looks here. Mine was not looking like this, so I'm not going to give up, though. I'm just going to try again tomorrow. Okay, I came back, got some patience, sort of, and finished up the trees, which are probably just going to be in my way while I work on the second floor. So I'll probably have to lift them back off. But anyway, they're built. They're good enough. They're not currently falling apart. It's all good.